Let's say you wrote a program, but it runs too slow. So you run performance measurements and you find that your program is doing a lot of cache misses. You know that in some cases, changing the schedule of operations using techniques such as loop tiling can greatly improve the I/O cost, that is, the number of transfers between memory levels. So you run a polyhedral compiler on your program. If it succeeds in tiling your program, removing the data movement bottleneck, you're happy. But what if it doesn't? Maybe the I/O cost can still be improved by some manual transformation, or maybe I/O is an inherent limit of this program. Our tool iolb helps answering this question by automatically computing a lower bound on data movement costs. If this bound is high, then this proves that the program is I/O limited and cannot be improved by changing the schedule of operations or the memory allocation.